Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Popcaan has been quietly working on his new album. The highly anticipated project serves as a follow-up to the Unruly One's 2014 album titled Where We Come From, which spawned a number of hits including Love You Bad, Addicted, Everything Nice and the title track. The DJ took to Instagram yesterday to share a post with fans that the project is coming very soon. While details surrounding Popcaan's new project are still sketchy, the album is expected to be released sometime this summer. Tommy Lee Sparta made his top 10 Billboard reggae album debut last week with the album New Creator. The artist showcased his versatility on the project and is gearing up for an exciting journey in his career.
So the New Creator album now is an EP, but they're going like an album right now. So you don't know, you get a lot of energy from it. One type of energy, the people them love it, don't know, produced by Ricardo Go Record. I go and go to it on Billboard, same way, #9, in trending album, and these are same way. I don't know, the album may trend #4 artists in the world, same way. Vybz Kartel, Drake, Alkaline, Tommy Lee, yes man. Big up my fans them straight.
New opportunities for the artist, who is scheduled for a number of tours this year. He also shares details on upcoming events and other projects.
Well, I don't know, 2018 is going to be very big for Tommy Lee right now. What I want to do, make sure to purchase the EP right now. A lot of work put it in, a lot of show coming up and things. We have Europe coming right now, we have Brazil tour, we have Africa tour, we're all over this year. We're in the island them same way. You see me? So just stay tuned. Tommy Lee putting out a lot of work right now. We have a new single out right now, Happy Life, new video, so go and check it out. This Saturday coming, we have a new track called About You. Make sure you watch the video Saturday coming. You see me? This Saturday on my Vivo channel.
Tommy Lee also made mention of the issue of crime and violence in his parish, St. James, and calls for an end to gun violence in the area.
State of emergency there, Moby. Make the law fix it, brother. Because nobody don't want nothing but happiness. You see me? Make the soldier them and the police them do what they have to do and just ease off of the crime, brethren. Just do it right, man. And make it thing come back now. Enough is enough.
Now plans are in motion for the 2018 staging of the Oscar Awards. The nominations were disclosed yesterday, with The Shape of Water outshining the competition. It leads the race with 13 nominations, while Dunkirk received 8 nominations and 3 billboards outside Ebbing, Missouri received 7 nominations. Greta Gerwig's Lady Bird and Jordan Peele's Get Out were each nominated for Best Director and Best Original Screenplay. The Oscars also recognizes a woman in the cinematography category for the first time, with Rachel Morrison's work on Mudbound. Mary J. Blige and Octavia Spencer are also the standout nominees. The 90th Academy Awards takes place on March 4. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.